Medyo maambon konti. Blessings. So regarding sa export, Dendrotonics pa lang naman kasi ang sa buong Pilipinas ang nakaka-export ng legal agarwood. So we understand the legality, we understand the process. Bihira sa mga Pilipino na nakakaintindi ng sales and marketing. Komplikado yon. For example, kung wala kang consistent and large volumes, hindi ka makakuha ng magandang kontrata, hindi ka makakuha ng magandang presyo, babarating ka lang. In the first place, kung mag-isa ka lang sa negosyong to, tapos iisang daan lang yung puno mo, ang hirap niyang i-export. Kaya kami, even Dendrotonics, is collection kami, organization ng maraming mga plantation partners. So, yun yung mga complications ng export business. And we make it easy for our partners. We can declare that we have more than 100 planting sites nationwide. Pero yung exact number we have, it's confidential for now.